Hello friends, in this video we'll repair the rear window regulator mechanism. It means that the roller mainly failed here. As you can see, the roller broken in this spot. Friends, but before starting the video, subscribe to the channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel. To replace it, we need to unscrew the screws and remove the window motor. Friends, since I don't have a new roller, I will show the assembly on the old one. Friends, here we need to turn the roller and put them in place. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.